Sounds too sweet to be true, but all you need is one tool that's absolutely free, and you can easily earn real money by sending out several emails on complete autopilot. The whole process is automated, so you won't have to get into the tedious process of reading the emails or manually sending custom emails. This is not about selling anything, and it won't require any capital investment. Just about anyone from all over the world can start making money today with the method that I'm about to share with you. So make sure to watch this video till the end to never miss a step, because if you do, you may not be able to earn using this method. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description to get started. Now, let's get straight into the video. It's pretty simple. It's just a two-step process. First, join a website where you can send emails on autopilot, and second, set up an account with one website where you'll be earning from. But before we get to the earning part, let's begin with the process of setting up the emails for free. The first thing I want you to do is to visit Hercules.com. When you look at the homepage, you'll see this tagline that reads, "Work smarter. Advertise to thousands daily, free." Now, that's exactly what this website does. It allows you to advertise to a huge number of people for free. What a deal! All you need is to get an account with Hercules Plus and set up one email, and then Hercules will customize that email and send it to thousands of target people through their email list. Amazingly, all this is possible through the free membership option that Hercules offers. So for a start, you don't need to spend anything by going for paid membership. Grab this opportunity of free membership and run with it. In fact, there is even a $5 bonus when you sign up for the first time. Now, before we even get started with setting up our first email, you're probably wondering why exactly I decided to choose this tool, right? Well, it's all for the good reason, and you can see that at the bottom of the Hercules homepage. Just scroll down the page and you can see the amazing benefits and advantages that Hercules has over several other email advertising tools out there. You'll discover that Hercules uses real traffic, meaning the email will be advertised to real people, and this is enough to give you real traffic direct to your website. You can also earn with this website through their affiliate program, which offers a juicy 50% commission, and the payment is done in 24 hours. Hercules is also a trusted website, considering that it has been around for the past 20 years, helping thousands of marketers worldwide. That's important to note, as it clearly signals to you that this website is open to people all around the globe. In fact, it currently has over 240,000 active members. Additionally, Hercules has many free advertising tools which you can use to build and boost your business. What I personally like about Hercules is that its website has been optimized for mobile, meaning that you can complete all the processes of setting up your first email and do everything through your mobile phone. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. After visiting Hercules.com and reading information on what Hercules offers, it's time to get on to the next step, and that's creating an account with Hercules. At the homepage of Hercules.com, click on Get Started. A new page opens with a form where you can fill in your personal information. Ensure to fill in all the mandatory information, beginning with your first name, last name, a unique username, password, and your main email address. Scroll down and check this box if you want to use the same email for both subscribed and main address. Check this box also to agree to Hercules terms of service. Then go ahead and click on Create Account, and your account will be created. A new page opens where you can choose your membership. And as you can see, there are the free, Gold, and Pro memberships. Even though Gold and Pro memberships come with some added advantages, that doesn't stop you from going with the free membership option, because you'll spend absolutely nothing to get you started. Now that you're a beginner, go ahead and choose the free membership, and this automatically leads you to your free account dashboard. There are several features of this free account, but our focus is on this one here, which reads Submit Email/Web Ad. And as you can see, this feature allows you to advertise anything to 1,000 people daily through their email submission. All you need to do is to hit the button that says Click Here, and this will redirect you to this page where you can confirm your email by clicking here. Go to your email, open the message you received from Herculist and click on Confirm Email. You're now free to use your account to send an email or advertise to 1,000 people regularly by just inserting the subject line, URL, and ad body. But before we get to the particulars of that email, there's one more website that I need to show you that will help us to earn. Next on, let me show you a website where you can grab a referral link which you'll use in the email. And this website is called Avplues, which can be accessed by visiting their site at avplues.com. Now, Avplues is an affiliate offers search engine that helps you to easily find affiliate programs and CPA offers. It's a marketplace for affiliate programs and CPAs. CPAs simply cost per action, which implies you can get thousands of offers that you can promote for free. In that case, people won't pay or buy anything, but you still will earn anytime someone signs up through your referral link. In fact, when you scroll down the homepage of avplues.com, you'll realize there are several affiliate offers with different rates of pay per referral. Now, although there are different categories of offers that you can choose from to promote, surveys are the most preferred because they work well with the Herculist email form. So, all you need to do is to filter by searching for survey at the avplues.com search bar. A new page opens with a list of survey-related offers. The rate of pay is always different. For instance, there is this offer called MyBox, paying $1 for each referral. Now, what that means is that if you refer 10 people, you get $10, 100 people earn you a cool $100. So just browse through to find the one that suits you. But for the sake of this video, we are going to use the MyBox offer. So just click on the one that you've selected, and you'll see all the details about the offer, including the description of the offer, the target audience, and the restriction, if any. Now to promote this offer, just click on the Join Network button to sign up and get a referral link. It's simple and I don't have to show you. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Let's get back to the video. Once you've gotten the referral link, go back to the Herculist email form to submit your ad. Fill in the subject line by simply typing in anything captivating to your target audience. For example, enter something like, "Make easy money through this free survey website." The next step is to paste the referral link that you copied from Avplues into the test URL box. Then create a nice ad body that can attract people to sign up for the link. You can say something like, "Click the link above to join a free survey website to earn by simply giving your views." Once done, you can go ahead and click the Submit Ad button to get it running. This ad, once submitted, is distributed to 1,000 members who will read it, and at least some will click the link. If only 100 people click on the link, I'll have made $100, completely passive income. Important to note is that the whole process is on autopilot, and Herculist automatically sent the email to 1,000 people. And whenever any of them clicks the referral link and signs up, you get paid. Interestingly, you can do this daily and keep earning with your free account. Once you start earning, you can choose to upgrade to Pro or Gold membership to get access to up to 10,000 emails daily. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.